Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my vlog, and it's finally the day what we have been waiting for from since 1 month, right? So it's the finale today for Miss Universe India 2026, and Manika is gonna pass on her crown. Of course, we're not gonna feel good about it, but yes, new journey will start again for the new queen. So yeah, please keep on watching the video if you like to see some behind the scenes. I'm gonna ask quick questions to the girls. Like, I'm not gonna pressure them, like not those kind of questions, of course, like how they're feeling. It's the finale, right? Of course. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And also, let's see how it goes. And keep on watching the video and let me know in the comment section who you are rooting for. And if you guys are thinking this is gonna be my last vlog in finale, no, I'm gonna make some vlogs with my beauty queens who's gonna win their crowns. Like, there are 3-4 queens who's gonna train for their international. So let me know in the comment section if you want with the winners vlogs, like, which has never happened before. So yeah, let me know, and do like, subscribe to my channel for more updates and see all the vlogs. Yeah. So auntie's holding my phone, and I'm gonna do like quick outfit check. So yes, this is what I'm wearing for the finale. And I did her makeup. See, are you excited?
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
अब प्रीलिम्स आपने देखा है, सो आपका फेवरेट है अभी?
ऐसे तो सभी लड़कियां बहुत अच्छी कर रही है, सबके लिए बेस्ट विशेस है मेरी तरफ से।
And she is wearing our Assamese tradition outfit. Slay. So look, her hair is done by her son, Parth, and makeup is done by me, of course. Right? हाँ, सब लोग comment section में बताओ, भर के बताओ, how is she looking, right? She is looking like a Miss Universe only, isn't it? देखो, all right. So keep on watching the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the backstage. So this is the Airbnb building which we were saying, and yes, ready to slay. Our car is here. So I had to get it removed. What's your name? It's from Joy Makeup Artist team. The whole makeup is on my, suit, and everything is all over. Because I'm wearing white, ऊपर से. Hi, it's going. It's going. Okay. ठीक है, मैं आपको बुक कर। अनु भाई, you remember ना?
Yes, बस मुझे बताओ केक कैसे पकड़ना है।
हाँ, ऐसे ही पकड़ना है। गाँव में थोड़ा फास्ट वॉक करना है, और ठीक है?
टाइट गाउन है, पर केक थोड़ा फ्लोई है, हेवी नहीं है, बड़ा है, फ्लोई है।
मैंने कोरियोग्राफी भेज दिया था।
मैंने प्रैक्टिस
ठीक है। All the best. Look here, Pramiti. How did you feel after your prelims? People are loving you.
Surreal. Thank you. I'm so grateful for all the love, and stay tuned for the finale.
We're ready to slay again. What about Kezia?
Hi. How are you?
You are also receiving lots of love. I
Yes,
think.
so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy because it's years and years of hard work, So being able to showcase that to the world and feeling that love come back to you.
Amazing. So, what's your, spirit today?
My spirit, I'm excited because I think I feel the universe within. I feel like destiny has finally shown me what I deserve, and I'm gonna show that tonight.
Okay. Any sneak peek about you? Obviously, they will see.
About my gown.
After I upload, they will see later on.
Unicorn.
Because, after
Yeah.
unicorn.
Yeah, it is. It's called the unicorn.
Okay.
You'll see why also. Trust
Yeah.
me. Trust me. Guys.
Because anyway, this vlog is gonna get uploaded after
Yeah,
the
after,
live.
but
So,
still.
yeah. Are you excited, Annie?
Very
What are you having?
I'm having dark chocolate. You want some?
No. Chalo, all the best.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling super excited.
Give it all.
The day is finally here that
Yes.
I've dreamt of for so long.
After a month.
No, it's been 9 years. That I'm
No, then I
waiting
got
for
it. But like the finale, oh my god, you guys have
Yes,
been
yes,
doing
35
so
days.
well. Yes,
35 days.
exactly. All the very best, okay? Do best.
Thank you.
Deepali, all the best. Deepali is so into it.
Hi.
I'm saying all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
You'll do well.
Thank you. Keep me in your prayers.
Yes, of course I will. I'm rooting for you all.
Thank you so much,
Tejaswini, how do you feel?
Also, I'm feeling amazing.
Like
Very
how do you feel after your prelims?
I feel very good after very happy and positive.
Okay, be positive always, है ना? And shout as much as loud as you can, है ना? Your state. Chalo. All the best. Ria is like, hi.
God.
It's your official debut in my vlog. Oh. Are you excited for today?
I'm so excited.
How do you feel?
I'm a little bit nervous because I have to select those 3 winners, which is going to be so nerve-wracking, but I think it's going to be a fun one.
Oh my god. Part was missing you though. Part. He was missing you. You guys were making reels, no, in Nagaland.
Yes,
Do you remember?
I know. We should meet again.
Yes, he's downstairs only. He will meet you soon.
Oh, great, perfect.
Chalo.
I love your outfit. by the way.
Thank you so much. Hi Assam. Hi Sikkim. How are you?
We are doing great.
Have you eaten well or not?
Yeah, we have eaten.
We have eaten well.
Okay, that's great.
We're very excited for
Your national costume, people are loving your national costume. Even Smiti, you have loved her national costume, no?
I loved her. I told that to her. Very pretty.
Amazing. It was good. And cherry on top, the butterfly, no? Which were flying. Yes, absolutely.
Surprise for you all.
Yeah.
You guys love it.
Also, here we have Mizoram. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you happy with your performance? And are you excited today?
Yes, I'm very excited.
What do you want to say to your fans in your language?
Mila tongchai puize ula top karan thazeram karam.
Okay, nice. And what about you?
I'm very excited and
Tell something to your fans in your language.
धेरै माया छ तपाईहरुलाई है यसरी नै सपोर्ट गर्दै गर्नु मलाई मात्र हैन दल्दै जानलाई
Oh, what about you, Pinky? What do you want to say in your language too?
love and support I'm very thankful. Thank you so much everyone.
Yes, you're doing absolutely amazing.
Thankful for the love and support.
Yes, most probably they are saying that only. I don't know, but I can feel it.
Yes.
Yeah. Hasita, we have here. How are you doing? Are you happy with your performance in prelims?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And I think international people are also loving you. Have you seen that? Yeah. Okay, all the very best. Okay, whatever you do, do it from your heart, and just enjoy the performance today. You know? Chalo, all the best. We have. We are doing like part 2 now. Hi, girl.
Hi, Anissa.
How are you?
I'm good. How is my hair?
Are you excited? You're looking very pretty.
Really?
Trust me, yeah.
Thank
It's
you
looking
so
so
much.
soft and smooth and very sharp.
How are my eyes?
It's even better than prelims.
Really?
Yes.
What is my prelims makeup?
I don't know.
Really?
I don't know.
Yeah, even I don't know. Yeah, so I'm a bit about
Okay, this is better.
Really?
This is looking, like
That's the
the glow
hair.
is coming. It's
Thank you
absolutely
so
amazing.
much. And
All the very
anything
best,
you
okay?
can do. Thank you so much.
All the very best.
Thank
We are
you.
rooting for you all.
Thank you.
Umanga, how are you?
Hi.
I love your gown.
You love me? Really?
Yeah,
So?
I told you,
Oh
no?
my god.
It was very pretty.
Anisha's feedback means a lot. Thank you, sir. It was all you.
Oh my god. So I just need you to put more energy if you go further in the competition today and give your best. Just enjoy the performance today.
I will.
Hannah?
I will give my best.
Yes,
in
yes,
swimsuit.
yes,
You'll
yes.
see the new me.
Okay, that's
Bye.
great. What about you, Snehal?
How are you?
I'm doing good. So how are you feeling today? Like, tell me honestly. You have been preparing since very long. You were the first contestant to prepare with me for MUI and then Miss Universe Himachal as well, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel?
I'm very excited today. I cannot even express how I'm feeling right now because it's very overwhelming. I was here last year, now I'm here as a contestant. And training with you was the best time ever. I missed that time, and I know that after today I will miss that time.
Oh my god. You can come back. No one is stopping you. You have to win for that.
I will.
Yeah, you can win and come. Because we are going to train the girls who's going to go to internationals. Right? Yeah.
Any review for me?
One feedback. Brutally honest. Don't keep the hands all the time in the hips, na? Otherwise, everything was good, okay? Trust me, everything was good. Just this thing. Not in the hands. Throughout your time. Chalo. Bye-bye. All the best. Hi, Sanwaka.
Hi.
How are you? How do you feel after eating the evening gown?
I love it.
Okay. I think people are loving your performance, right?
Thank you.
Mm.
And I hope I make
So, tell to your fans something that they need to know in your language.
that.
In your language.
Say something.
Any message to your fans in your language.
Okay.
Loud, okay?
Kung ibaro ba na ay mo ya ka dikit baka sa support of na ay nga. Kay baka nang mata kami la ang job na ang job do. Nga pa bang pinti baro ba comment ha ba ngayo fans mo pi but manang ni mat even though na kami hangin hangno ang tribal ban bangan pin ay kita ka buram ya ka state jami.
Oh, okay. So, what are you most proud of at this moment?
I think I'm most proud of being here.
Okay.
Right here, like I think this is one of the biggest stages in all of our lives. So I think just being here is already a proud moment for each and every single one.
And we all are gonna miss you guys in the training and the pageant, you know? So, all the best. Whatever
Thank
happens
you.
today, it will happen for good. And you are doing absolutely amazing. Let me
Thank
tell you. And all the very best.
Thank you.
Just enjoy the performance, okay? Yeah. It's her team, yes. It's her team. Hi Anushri, how are you?
I'm feeling amazing. I'm
Come to
feeling excited.
light here. So, go back. Huh. So, how do you feel today?
I feel my most confident self. Ready to step on the stage.
So, you were keeping this as a secret, like you have been waiting to do the straight hair, right, for your fans,
Yes.
because all your fans has been telling you to make a straight hair.
No, I wanted to leave it as a surprise element for the finale because they love this and I love this too.
And people need to know about your gown. No, you can tell because this is gonna go after the because you can tell the meaning of your gown.
So my gown is called Mayunix, which is Mayur and Phoenix. It's the rise of a phoenix, but also the peacock integration in it is an ode to India. When I've actually designed it myself and gotten it made from Thailand, and it has the Puerto Rican little chains that you will see.
It's a tribute.
It's a tribute to Puerto Rico. You know when you see it. You know when you see it. The
Yes.
competition is
So basically,
happening
her gown is a tribute to a Puerto Rican queen, and you guys will know after seeing it,
I
of
don't want
course.
to say it. I don't want to say it.
Yes, of course. Chalo, all the very best.
Thank you
Whatever
so
happens, you have to enjoy today.
Yes.
Okay? I just want you to enjoy. No, nothing, no pressure. Got it? Just enjoy and feel it. And keep
I'm
on
excited.
smiling. Expressions people have been telling you, right?
You want to see it?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Hi Roshni. How are you doing?
He's everywhere. You are
everywhere.
He wants
Big-
footage from every party.
No, I don't need footage.
Wherever
I love
Everyone knows that I don't need footage. I give footage.
And I love you. He's making it for all of you.
Sir is the reason why fans are getting our BTS.
Yes, exactly. People are loving it.
And wherever Anisha is not there, Smriti ma'am is there. So both of them have covered the entire YouTube
Yes.
Miss Universe.
But we are very thankful that Anish sir and Smriti ma'am are always there with us. It gives us a lot of joy.
ठीक है,
that they
चलो
are-
कोई बात नहीं, इतना मस्का मत मारो. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing great. How are you?
I am doing great. Say something in your language for your fans.
Hello, so Madhukirika ase apni hala support bishi pai ase edu karone ma apna so kichi things janai diule mon ase aju mola grand finale ase live chawle ase in just few minutes edu karone apni hal norom bra mujhe support kuri rahibe Nagaland
Yes.
I will show your love and thank you so much apni hal sob ke apna naam
Oh my God, I love the energy and all the best. Okay, you are doing amazing till now.
Thank you
Chalo,
so much.
all the best. She's running. Oh my God, Manika, we're gonna miss you. Oh.
you guys. I'm so nervous for the opening number.
What will you miss the most about this rain?
What will I miss the most about this rain? You guys.
My-
24/7.
Oh my God, yes.
You said in the last vlog that you're very happy to pass on the crown. Yes. How are you feeling today when you have to actually pass it on?
Actually, extremely happy. I
Hmm.
mean, I still can't believe it has been a year. And
Actually,
yes, like it. Oh my God, it's more than 365 days. I'm happy. I know I'm gonna cry most probably on my speech. And there are so many emotions, but just there's one emotion that's completely missing out of it all. That's sadness.
nice. Oh my God, we're gonna really miss you. I'm out of words actually. What to say now, Hannah? We're gonna.
Selfie.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. This is Miss Universe India 2026, and we are ready for it.
Yes.
Yes.
Shall we dance?
Yes. Also, I'm very excited for your dance. You need to slay.
I saw Sunu now.
You know the reality.
Yeah.
She knows the reality.
She knows
I
why
can
I'm
fool the world.
laughing.
I can't fool my teacher. That's the truth.
Chalo, I'm actually very excited. She's gonna do good.
एक तो मेरा हाथ ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है तो मैं क्या करूँ
See, it's fine.
So एक तो मेरा हाथ ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है I have to do this
Oh no. What do you do is? You can crown here, yes. Got it?
okay done
Yes.
and also when I'm finishing
Huh.
I enter and then I have to do a walk what choreography should I do
Just walk, right?
yeah and there will be girls following me
Just walk like this, see? As you have this dress,
I
no?
can do no in this one only
This one only, this one. As you have this, no? You can go like tap, tap, tap. ऐसे, थोड़ा सा हाथ ऐसे रखे. See? This looks good. Show there. Right, Smithy?
Yes.
It's looking good, right?
Gorgeous.
Tell me. This is looking good.
I have taken over the vlog. Hello.
Do?
So the best part is that you can subscribe to my channel Smriti Chhabra, and I make fun content around pageant and modeling, and I do a lot of podcasts also.
Yes.
I bet you will find my channel more interesting than Arnish's.
So fake this. So fake.
What is it?
तुम अभी कैसे बैठी थी वैसे बैठो.
She asked me, अर्नी सर के YouTube vlog कौन edit करता है? बता दो उसको.
मैं एडिट करता हूँ मैं.
He's the cameraman, he's the editor. He's the owner of the channel.
तुमको पता नहीं चला गूगल में काम करके?
But we are the content. He could be the editor, but we are the content.
तुम्हारा कंटेंट कितना अच्छा आया था ना लास्ट टाइम. वो वाला. वो हेयर फिर से बनाओ ना. जो तुमको फसीहा ने बनाया था.
I'm redefining.
Oh my God, is it terrifying or fun?
So dramatic.
Excuse me?
Look at Fuzzy.
She literally said that it's terrifying to be your roommate.
Really?
Yes, she said that. I can show you the clip also.
These are room designer.
We are roommates since last 10 days.
Yes. And she's loving my
Is your baby coming?
No, he's not coming.
Why?
I asked him not to come.
Oh.
Yeah, because I
मेरी गोदी में बैठ के देखता. सच में. तुम चिप्स खाओ ना. खाना बंद कर दिया तुमने आजकल. लग रही है बहुत अच्छा लग रही है तुम.
see the transformation.
Yes, I can see the transformation. Amazing. Oh my God.
I've lost around 7 kg.
Oh wow.
Have you seen the transformation of my walk?
Of your?
My walk.
Your walk. Yes. क्या तारीफ सुनना है तुमको बताऊं? मैं बताऊंगा ना
Transformation के बारे में 2 words.
उसके हिसाब से मैं बताऊंगा.
Please speak for 1 minute about my transformation.
Oh God, 1 minute.
She used to walk like a donkey first. Now she walks like a beautiful unicorn. No, actually, man. I can show the clips also. Yeah, मतलब पूरा straight चल रही है.
Anisha being Anisha. Always.
है ना? तुम लोगों को नर्वसनेस नहीं हो रहा है? थोड़ा नर्वसनेस लाओ. क्या है ये
ये
सब?
लोग हंस रहे हैं.
ये सब क्या हरकतें हैं?
अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
तुम कैसे चिल्लाओगे? अपना स्टेट बताओ. बताओ.
Anyway,
ऐसे हाथ रखोगे क्या?
ऐसे क्या मंदिर में आई हो क्या?
रिसेप्शन में है.
अरे वो नवाब वो है. बोलो बोलो.
Anyway, 14. Fasiha Numan, Andhra Pradesh.
Oh my god. The way they laugh, it's crazy. Oh my god. It is very fun, but last time the vlog which we had, no, you guys were the most fun element. So yeah, just
Oh my god, I love at least 10-15
Hannah,
sir.
how is my editing skills?
Amazing.
Of course.
I look so Nata in front of her. I don't want to stand in next to you.
No, she's just too tall. It's fine.
Too tall.
देखो वो खंबे को लगने वाला है उधर देख. उधर उसका सर.
रात में भी करती, बाल झटकते रहती है.
रात में? Oh my god, she's scary I think then.
Yeah, she is scary. And then Fasiha, what are you doing? I'm like, what?
Oh, tell me something about your interview. How did it go?
Interview.
हाँ.
She was
So the
dressed
thing
like
is,
Mumtaz.
I was dressed like a Nizami Mumtaz. But then I got ready at 6 a.m. in the morning, and my interview started at 5:30
Oh my
in
God.
the evening.
Evening.
Till that time, I had brain fog.
And how many? What is your contestant number?
I forgot almost everything. I was the first one to go to the
Oh my god.
And then I was sleeping. Literally, I was sleeping. But then I was quite active.
But you're looking very pretty, huh, today?
Really?
She
Yeah.
always looks pretty, even while sleeping. She's gorgeous. She just
You no.
You said the same thing
But
about
Fasiya, you should be scared.
You said the same.
Why would she look at you while you sleep?
Why is she looking at me? Oh my god.
That's very creepy.
She sleeps with her face towards me. I have to look at her. It's either you know who's the other roommate, sir.
Harshita Sahu.
Harshita Sahu. I am between Fasiha and Harshita.
Oh my god.
She's the center one. She's sleeping with
What? You don't like Harshita or what? Why are you laughing? No, you were laughing.
Suddenly, now you know who creates the controversy.
No. I am the controversy.
He's the Rakhi Sawant clown.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you say?
You are the Rakhi Sawant of Lavana.
Oh, I love Rakhi Sawant though. She's very good.
There was this edit that she's coming, you know.
She's in Delhi.
But I have to say something about Sneha. She was my roommate and I loved her.
But you loved her also.
I love both of my roommates.
If you have to choose only one, then what will you do?
What head-to-head questions are these?
Tell me.
So this is not head-to-head.
No. It's going in YouTube. How smart are you? You have to prove it now itself.
Yeah, because I'm going to day with Sneha, night with Fasiha. What do you do? Oh my god! What do you guys do in the night time?
Anish sir being famous, as you can see, always surrounded by fans because people love him and we love him too. Look at his styling. Oh my god. He's always well dressed. And today he's in a good mood. Guys, rate Anish sir's look and hair and makeup and outfit. Rate in the comments below. This is what he's wearing. Ooh, black and white. And show your bag, sir. Jewelry. Show your bag, sir. Bag. Yeah. Michael Kors. Michael Kors.
Michael Kors. He never goes below Michael Kors.
Oh my god.
Always Chanel, Dior, Gucci. Coming next.
खुद गूगल में काम करती है, लूटती है और मेरे को बोल रही
मैं
है
किसको लूटती हूँ?
कंपनी को.
ये क्या Sir, Arnice sir is one of the richest people I
No, shut up.
know this. I agree. You are.
No.
जब भी देखते हो आपके हाथ में होता है टॉमी, शरद,
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, नकली है ये.
No, he's
नकली है,
very rich. And
नकली है.
because he's self-made and I'm very happy to be.
That too I am, yes. That is
He's
I
very
am.
inspiring.
चलो हो गया अभी.
Okay.
नमस्कार. So you guys must be knowing him already. So he has been doing such a great job with MUI since 2024. He have done GSI other works as well, but obviously MUI is a big thing, and he has been doing great. How do you feel? Like how is the girls?
Yeah, they're very nice. They did my prelims very great.
I'm also happy with the girls. And what are you guys excited about today?
So I just want that may the best girl win. I don't know.
And don't mess up the choreography.
Yeah, I feel like all the girls are so deserving. So I'm just so much excited. Who will be the winner?
Last year, did you knew that Manika will win? Like, did you had the gut feelings? Because everyone, most of the fans also knew that.
Not exactly, because most of them were again deserving too. So yeah, she was
Okay.
good. She was also deserving. So yeah, I'm happy for her.
Chalo, all the best to you guys, both of you. How many people are here to support you?
Guys, it's more than 150. I don't have the ticket.
Oh my.
I'm full out.
Welcome to backstage of Miss Universe India 2026. That's how you will do.
One, two, three, action.
Welcome to the backstage of Miss Universe India 2026.
Just say MUI.
Okay, once more. Bye.
It's coming good, girls. Huh?
अभी फर्स्ट फ्रेम में आ रहे हैं आप इनको एक बार इन्फॉर्म करें अभी आप
How are you feeling?
Excited.
Okay.
So generic. Okay, it's a roller coaster of emotions like bubbling up from inside.
Okay.
I can't differentiate between these emotions. It's all welling up from inside.
Nice. All the very best.
अभी आप चार फ्रेम में थे अभी आप ओके थोड़ा सा क्लोज होगे प्लीज
How are you feeling, Aditi?
Extremely emotional. I literally worship this ramp, so I can't believe I'm walking on that for the last time.
Oh my
I
God.
literally had tears in my eyes.
Do best and just enjoy. Honestly, yes. सब है पता नहीं अजीब है. Come. यहाँ पे क्यों परफॉर्मेंस दे रही हो? तो प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. Oh God. We are again backstage with Pramiti. Are you proud of yourself?
I am, and I have high expectation from myself as well.
Okay, you look so stunning.
Thank you
Oh my
so
God,
much,
I can
sir.
see
Coming
some
from you
glow.
really means a lot.
No, you were looking stunning on prelims also and today also. I mean, like it's even glowing more today.
Oh, maybe it's my day.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, what are you gonna miss the most about this journey?
What am I going to miss the most? definitely the girls and the memories that we have made every single day, laughing on crazy things and being late, covering up for each other. These are the
Okay.
memories I'm gonna carry for my entire life for sure. So definitely seeing all the beautiful faces, something I'm going to miss.
So, what's your motto today?
To win the crown.
Oh,
To win the
nice.
main crown.
Okay, main crown. What is that? Which one is that?
Miss Universe India 2026.
Okay. So, tell me about your preparation. How was it?
Well, my preparation was initially something that I was doing alongside my job, and then I realized that no,
Yes,
I have to.
you used to miss classes also someday.
Yes,
Actually,
I
man.
used to, and then I realized that if I'm doing something, I have to put 100% of myself into it. So I genuinely quit my job and I gave my 100% to this.
Also, people have said that like you have transformed a lot more after getting runners up on your stage. Like, what do you want to say about it? Like, is it true? Do you feel like you have transformed more because of that reason as well?
I completely agree. I genuinely feel so grateful now that I did not make it in my first go in my state pageant, because I see that journey now. I see that Pramiti and this Pramiti. It's like span of few months, but it made me realize that I really have to work hard, and I did. And I think that is visible in my performance. So, and apart from that, it was my first failure of life. And then again, I feel like in span of a week, I was crowned as first runner-up twice, which was again a privilege to learn that when you don't get something, how you react. And
Yes.
I saw that change in myself, that I get closer to my purpose rather than denying it. So
Okay.
definitely it was a
So,
part that was required.
tell me about your catwalk journey.
My cat was, oh my god, that you will tell. That you will tell. I remember going to Beauty House the first day and how I used to walk. My body was so stiff. I used to walk like a robot. So I give the entire 100% credit to you.
What I have to say about your catwalk is like, it was not stiff. You think that way, but not stiff. I'll say it's just that like you don't used to know the technique. Like the comfort and everything has always been there because you are a dancer and I'm also a dancer too, right? Of course, we are Slayer. So yeah, whatever.
We have the balance.
So yeah. So the thing is like, so I used to tell her this, do this, and like the thing with her was the energy was always so high. She needed to
Yes, always
control.
used to tell me.
So mostly more than a walk, we needed to control the energy
Cool
because
down from it,
yes,
slow down
yes,
from it.
because in the
Don't
first
go
day
so
itself.
fast.
In the first day itself, you were getting improved. It's just that because of the energy, it used to, go too much. That's why it used to look like
But
imbalance.
if I have to bring it all together, I would just say that it's you, sir. It's you who has
Thank you so much.
transformed
That's
my
very sweet
walk
of you.
completely.
You have been saying this since very long.
Yeah, because
and
I mean
yes,
it.
I'm,
I mean it. It would have been, impossible without you to transform my ramp walk, especially like that.
when she doesn't do good, she's like always
God.
scared to message me.
I text him like, sir, I'm scared, but I still have
Yes,
to take your
but I'm also
feedback."
always initiating already. I'm telling you like all the mistakes and everything, right?
You always text us before
Yes.
our ramp walk sub contest or some
yes.
competition.
Yes.
And
you have won best in walk in every stage though.
I did.
Oh my god, she was the most proud thing she was about that only. She was always telling me actually. That's why I'm saying.
I remember standing on the stage and Anisha was there, so I was moving my sash like this so that he could see best in walk. I
The
was
best
like,
in walk. This is like.
Ask a question.
Yes. Okay.
Pramiti, how are you feeling that you will get to judge by the OG queens of Miss Universe?
Oh my god,
That is
yes.
actually surreal. I was just telling my mom that I cannot believe that it's actually happening, and I'm going to see Shushmita Sen, Riya Singha ma'am, all the queens all together, and then
Oh my God.
We used
Yes.
to read about them. We used to see them in
Yes,
movies
yes,
and
yes,
TVs,
yes,
and
yes,
this
yes,
is
yes, yes.
surreal.
Even
And
for
I'm
us.
still pinching myself.
Yes, exactly.
So I'm nervous yet very excited. So let's rock.
It's a good combination, and I wish you really all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Just
That's the-
remember your routine and rest. It depends on the God, and also enjoy the performance. And I know you will do. Okay, and don't run.
I will.
See, I told you, no.
I will.
Hi, we are backstage with girls, and it's getting started soon. How are you guys feeling? Tell me honestly, what is going on in your mind?
So excited. Oh, yeah, so excited and waiting
for.
Yeah, and we're also
like the dream
preparing
that we're
for the closing statement.
Uh-huh.
Manifesting it.
Okay. So what's your spirit today?
Very high.
Very high?
Excited. Always high. Very high.
Okay, now I have been doing this with all the girls that like they have to send a message to their fans and their, you know, state people, because you guys are representing your states, right? Respectfully. So tell something in your language.